mangoalai ice cream. Take a bowl, cream 400 ml. Beat well. Beat until whipped. It's done. Add half cup of milk. Mix it well. Add condensed milk 2 tablespoons. Powdered sugar 3 tablespoons or as required. Mix it well. It's perfectly done. Separate half cup of mixture and keep in freezer. Add 1 cup of mango pulp. Mix it well. Add some yellow food color. It's perfectly done. Add batter in container and keep in freezer for semi-set. Cover with airtight lid. After 2 hours. Add separate freeze cream mixture. Keep in freezer again for 8 hours. Our creamy mangoalai ice cream is ready. Make scoops. Sprinkle some pistachio. Try must, you will love it. Please like and subscribe my channel.